Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add it and then how to remove it. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Of course, here you've got a whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it in this section by using this section, so let me tap. And as you can see, here we've got the section with the accounts, and here we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin the whole operation with me showing you how to remove the account. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see, we've got this option, remove account. Let's tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will actually immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So remember about that. Don't worry if you will have to enter the screen lock. So now we can add the account, and that's also quite easy. Just tap on add account. Here we have to choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it, like here. So now let me enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, now let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.